Pidgin. You get headline for day. You get headline for figure for Pidgin. I want more give some information for Pidgin for yeah. Okay, we'll go for that side for noon. For that side for West Region for Cameroon. We'll talk about this still will happen for Jimbot. The Jimbot now for that division for noon what as I tell you now. Aminato in a boyfriend, they go inside bush. They go bush for say they want kill themselves, they want go for the well of the dead. A massa or a boyfriend named Hassan. Aminato not take phone, he snap Hassan for bush. He snap Hassan, he talk. He ask Hassan say this so you don't come for you for can't kill yourself, no? Hassan say yes. He say this so when you die, may you go beyond, you greet my big mommy for me. Hassan say no problem. Now video that way these two couples and take up. And then the end of the story I say, so take her rich now so no man don't know how it happened before Hassan and Amina to 21 years they kill themselves. If they get that 21 years, imagine the age for the boy. Let me say that small picking there. Wait till happen where it turn their skin, so they turn their sense. They go reach a place where they go think say this, so they go for inside bush, they go kill themselves for day for scarcity. The one I love the ignorance on a waiting. Now the question way I ask myself because it don't pass me. Say two small picking them, young boy and young girl, they go enter bush. Bang, 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 bang. Grandmammy, grandpapa, hold your neck, tie him, hold up, tie him, you die. Na sect, na witchcraft, na plenty question the way we ask them because as I always talk about for play work come on, they talk say ibidi mikiai. If you don't know, you ask. You ask because you want to understand how the matter it take place. We'll stay for that side for West Region. Do my name na Tata Karid. Tata Karid, he lost the pikin Mael for sick. The pikin for sick, he say get headache. The mami carry the go hospital last Thursday. I see the rush Mael for hospital. For road for hospital, Mael he die. As Mael die, the mami no fit support him. If you get 5 pikin, Mael and number 6 pikin for that reme. He get 5 pikin, Mael and number 6 pikin. Na so reme too, he live his life for day. He die one time. That's what happened that for that side for Bafusam. And for that side for Cheboa. So woman, we get 6 pikin. He fall belle, he born twins. As he born twins, he master enter with the anger. He master no auntie again. He say no one that woman they bring only problem. You want born pikin, only born and play the pikin and play the pikin and now wait. I don't want you again. Trouble enter. Query. Neighbor them. Family. Village people they come out. They try to negotiate the matter. That they negotiate and so they fix them back before that woman. It stay back for his master he has. If not, the man for don't drive it long time. For Sikadi matter say he overborn picking them for he. Another story, countryman, countrywoman. Now for tell you now, what happen? Guy tell we say some small girl for 24 years. He papa leave house for Bonamusadi. Go retirement for village. He take the house. He turn around for part 2s. That means say he one day for house, 2 boyfriend a day. They stay there for house. Papa they send him money for chop. They chop all them. He day for day. The one they sleep with a woman's skin. Nakana. The other one nakana. So 2 boys them for turn their skin. Now way they put traps on day. The trap come for. If papa enter house, he see how he get picking his sleep for bed with 2 boys picking them. Where they for ye? They to my the parents lock the door, call police. They catch them. And then, I see that picking for us again. Expel that girl picking for us. 24 years. If you are working for Scar, you want to give fine the bracos all time for the farm bracos. Then maybe you continue. Instead of the find your own body, begin do your own bracos, them, they are coaching them with them. Then for the go stay for Papa's house, you carry boyfriend them, 2 boyfriend for 1 house. The thing, he pass for power. Countryman, we tell us some news for some former footballer For that side for Ecuador, where they chuki kill him, some quarantine. He come also die, he go back for house. As he go back for his house, they attack him, they take his phone, they chuki, they kill him for Ecuador. Now that one of the boys the way they be chuki kill him, they don't make they don't catch it. So one of that boy he did that, so they don't hold him. They see they tight. So he go sing. Now they go to tell we what it happen. He go talk how it happen for the other one run, how they kill him, why they chook some in quarantine kill him instead of just thief, normal thiefing, and then they go them. Now so the thing go to happen now. We go understand how the thing they pass. Another big time story, countryman, countrywoman. Now Paul Atangaji, when I don't say the election, Paul Atangaji, he want say me Maurice Kamto to no be candidate. He want move Maurice Kamto to name police. You know he want no. He want move Maurice Kamto. He want move Cabral Libi. He want move even Akere Muna. Say me they no be candidate for presidential election where it come for October. Now they walk that way. Or the year say Atangaji he do am now. Wala which station they want create amo. No man, you know sabi. Another story. So man, when they call say Awal, Aja Awal, where he make plenty audio them recently. He talk palava Paul Biya must go. He say Paul Biya, they don't take it hostage. Gongo don't take it hostage. Woman accuse them, accuse Gongo. Say Gongo they sleep with some minister them. Like that, they don't send BB book for that woman. Say they find it. They want to find it for catch up. Now we saw they call say Karis Behara say no. This one for court book for court normally. Don't be say they going to make it out. They call up for BB French say mandat d'arrêt. Then we'll come out to this one. Now Mark Breeze, man resign for morning time. Even the time they negotiate, he say they don't pirate. They don't take a message. Now pirate they do that thing. Nobody do that one. Nobody send a message for resignation. Now pirate them. Pirate they don't take it, this and that. Massa, mwale kobi don't send BB letter too. Talk up. Fear don't enter. Palava muru ha the thing go chakara o between mwale kobi and Mark Breeze. So man go wear one foot trousers on day so they will see them. So that's why the thing they will observe them. We observe them. Tomorrow, we will tell how the thing pass. He said they don't pay salary. He said they don't pay salary. He said they don't pay salary for correct date. He do what say who they pay. We never pay. The thing they do so, we go do so. If you can put the job observer, therefore I'm scared. Any day we go just glisse, he go. So they know the way Mr. Mark Breeze don't send him for fake food. Now that know the way we try for look at now. We don't look at Siam say he correct. They think correct. Now just say they fear. Wait if it happen for them now. That way they dance for Bafia dance. So now for we go put an end